I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You want to start charging now, so first confirm you have the Apple Watch magnetic charger and a reliable 5V adapter. Plug the USB into the adapter and into a live wall outlet. You're avoiding slow laptop ports. Once done, unlock the watch screen and remove any case or thick band that prevents flat contact. Then lay the charger on a stable surface and hold the watch near the puck so the magnets can snap it into place. You'll feel the alignment settle. You need to make sure the watch is properly aligned so the puck's magnet centers on the back. They are designed to self-align, so let it snap naturally. Once attached, watch for the green charging bolt or percentage indicator. That confirms power flow. Keep the watch face up on a flat surface to dissipate heat and avoid heavy movement while charging. If you plan a fast top-up, expect 30 to 45 minutes for a substantial gain. Meanwhile, keep cables untangled and unobstructed. When the watch reaches your target percentage, swipe up to confirm charge level and gently pull the watch off the puck. Don't yank the cable. If charging is slow, make sure the puck contacts are clean and try a higher output adapter or a different wall outlet. If it won't charge at all, restart the watch, inspect the cable for damage, and test with another known good charger. This isolates whether the puck, cable, adapter, or watch itself is the problem. One simple restart often fixes temporary software hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.